everyone. What I want to share in this video is a strategy for making rice in your microwave, but not in a special container that's been designed for microwave rice cooking, and then the progression of this, that is finishing off preparing a meal that you'll then cook in that same bowl that you've started with the rice. So what I do is get about a quarter of a cup of rice, and then what I've worked out for my own liking is about 2.5 times the amount of water. So roughly 2/3 of a cup of water. It depends if you like your if you like your rice sticky or not. And I put that in the microwave to cook for 90 seconds. After the 90 seconds passes, I leave it sit for the following 10 minutes. That initial 90 seconds gave it time to warm the water up, and it started to make the rice softer, but it really needs about the 10 minutes to swell and to take on the texture that's normal when eating. At the finish of the 10-minute mark, what I've been doing to make this into a meal gets to be quite easy. There's options at the store for frozen mixed vegetables, and there's various options of meat that you're able to buy that's pre-cooked if that's what you want, or you could choose protein like beans. But at the 10-minute mark, I put the vegetables and the protein into the same bowl I started with, and then cook it for another 3.5 minutes. And at the end of this, there's just the one bowl to clean, and I personally like having a warm meal at least once a day. It sort of helps life be a little bit more normal compared to the stuff that's going on with my legs. I want to invite you to try this. It may take 2 or 3 times to get it to where you're happy with it, but the idea of only having one bowl to clean or one deep dish to clean and be able to get ready for the next day, it appeals to me. I've bought this microwave oven for getting ready to have a surgery, so I'm starting to think about strategies to make life easier, and thought I'd give this a go, and it's been working well, and that's why I want to share it with you. I hope you're doing well today. Thanks for joining in with today's video. Bye for now.